Yo guys, what's up? Jonas here, and in today's video I'm gonna teach you how you can fix the PSN not being able to log in error. It's a pretty easy fix, and sometimes it's a bug from the PlayStation, and the solution to it is pretty simple. So yeah, this is what you have to do. When you are on your network settings of your PS4, go back to test your internet connection and make sure that you're getting everything successful on your IP address, your internet connection, and your PlayStation Network sign-in, which is the most important one. If you're getting failed on the PlayStation Network sign-in, what you have to do is pretty easy. All you have to do is go ahead and click on your trophies. When you're not able to sign in, you'll get a screen that says sign in. All you have to do is hit sign in, and you're able to log into your PS4. So that's it. Pretty easy fix, pretty simple. If this did not work for you, I have like 5 or 6 videos on my channel showing more than 10 methods to fix it, so I'll make sure to leave you links in the description and cards at the end of the video, so make sure you check them out. But that has been it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.